Hello mariners, hope you guys are doing well. In this video I am going to explain the question number 6, that is question number 6 staggered from the Captain's Martin book. So let's begin with this. So question number 6, a vessel steaming on a course of 250 degree 0 error 2 degree high at a speed of 15 knots, current northwest at 3 knot. Now celestial observation calculated using 0530 hours, that is dr position is 35 degree 30 north 16020 east, gave the following result, that is 0520 Polaris observed latitude 35 degree 25 north azimuth 358 degree true, 0545 Vega intercept 10.3 degree west azimuth 080 degree true. Now find the vessel position at 0530. So first of all, as you have to see that in this question this true compass is not given, it is given gyro. So first we have to convert that gyro into true, as gyro error is 2 degree high. So this is a very simple things we have to do. So therefore the as per the question, now CTS is 248 degree true and speed is 50 knot and current is northwest at the rate 3 knots. So from the plotting we have to find the CMG SMG, because we don't know the CMG, that is course made good, and SMG speed made good. So from the plotting, which is already visible to the on the screen, as you guys are able to see that, so from there we will find out our position. So let's begin with that part. So first we will just draw a straight line indicating north and south. After that what we have to do is simply that we have to plot our course to steer. So as basic, this is a basic of what we used to do on chart work. So first you will plot your course to steer, and on course to steer you will mark your speed to steer, that is 50 knot, and once you had marked up to 50 knot, from here you will steer your current, whatever the current is given, and up to how much, that is for how means how much knot, so it is 3, so you will mark again 3, and now you had already get one line. So and from there you will again join the center line, then you will get your, and you will measure this course, that will be your CMG, that is course made good, and once you will measure it with a scale or whatever, you will get your speed made good. So from here you had get your speed made good and course made good. Now let's move to the next part. So now let's begin with this part. So from the normal whatever the position you would get at 1530, that is your dr, so simply plot that, and I had plotted that is dr longitude, and this is my dr latitude, and one is here, that is you might be visible, this is here, that is my observed latitude at as per the question, that is given at 0520, that is my latitude is 35 degree 25 minute north. So I have plotted these two positions. So after that I have to first things I have to do that from the first position, that is at 1530 whatever is given. So from there I will just plot one azimuth, that is 080, that is as per the question, that is 080, and as there it is the intercept is 10.3 away. So from there I had plotted intercept, that is as per the timing is 045. So here it is my 1 PL, and from here I will make a reverse run, I will apply a reverse run. So as per from the question I had get my SMG and CMG is CMG my is 258, so I will add 180, and after that whatever the value I will get, I will simply apply from this PL anywhere in this PL, and up to that is up to a time of intercept, that distance, that is 4.1, from the timing is given. So again I will get my another PL. So this PL, the another PL which I had get, this is PL is for 1530. so this is the PL for 1530. Now as per the question, I will again plot the azimuth, that is 358, and for that PL I had get one PL, that is PL1, that is for 0520, and from there I will apply the run, that is always, obviously it will move forward, as because I have to go at 0530, and this is the PL of from the 0520. so normally I will apply the PL, and from there I will get another PL at 030 PL. so where this two PL has intersected, this is my position, and I will simply calculate the departure and delete from here, and I will do the further calculation. So from the plotting I had get my delay, that is 0.7 minutes south, and departure is 5.3 minute west, and my observed let I had taken at is, that is 35025.0 north, and I had applied my delay, that is 07, and I had get my fixed of 0530, and from there I have calculated my mean latitude, and I had applied this formula, that is d long is equals to departure by cos of m latitude, and from here I had get my d long, and after that I had applied my d long to dr long, and I had get my fix at 0530, and this is my final position as per the question. Hope you guys had understood, and if there is still any doubt, feel free to comments. I will try to solve at the same time, and I will send the each and every solution. Thank you and Jai Hind.